Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. So if you also want to embed a YouTube video in Canva, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Embedding the YouTube video to your Canva is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Canva. You can also open Canva on browser, or you can also open Canva application. If you also want to open Canva on browser, simply launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in canva.com. After that, you can see over here Canva will be opened. So embedding the YouTube video on Canva is actually very simple. First of all, make sure to open the video template. After that, what you have to do is look into the toolbar section. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is find the option for apps. Once you find it, simply click on it. Now after that, you'll be able to search for the apps over here. Simply click on the search bar and type in YouTube. After that, press enter. Now after that, you'll be able to find the results for YouTube over here. So simply click on the option YouTube that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll directly be able to search from YouTube. So simply click on the search bar that you can see right over here. Search for the video that you want to embed. After that, you'll be able to find the results over here. So simply click on the video that you want to embed. Now after that, you can see over here that video will automatically open over here. You can also resize the video if you want. You can see over here like this. You'll be able to resize the video. You can also resize the duration of the video if you want. You can see over here, if you drag the video to the right, you'll be able to increase the duration. If you drag it to the left, you'll be able to decrease the duration. Like this, you can also set the duration. You can see over here, you'll also be able to play the video. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide. You can see over here like this, you'll be able to embed the video in Canva. So that is how you embed the video in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.